everyone. Welcome to the Analytic Moment. I'm Quentin Fisher, CEO of Healthcare Analytics, and this is a series on artificial intelligence for healthcare service providers. Last session, we talked about how to implement machine learning in an agile approach, as well as the team and skills needed. Today, we want to talk about AI governance. When you solve a problem with machine learning, it develops sophisticated algorithms. The big difference with solutions that are produced with machine learning is that you may not be able to explain, as an accountant would, all the steps and why the answer is what it is. Machine learning develops models that have more variables than we can really comprehend. It may develop a 10-dimensional or 20-dimensional solution that you can't even picture in your mind. To that point, machine learning solutions are complex, and in a lot of cases too complex for us to really even understand, and this can be a black box. Now, because of this, it's very important that we understand A, what the application of this algorithm is, and B, what the inputs are, and the interplay between these. As far as inputs, there may be certain inputs that are, say, appropriate for us to help solve cancer and apply different treatment details or techniques, like someone's age or race. But the use of age or race to model and predict the attendance rate of a specific appointment may not be appropriate. Now, with the use of these algorithms, there may be additional lenses that you want to apply on top of the algorithm's output, right, to make business sense. Think of these as common sense rules or guardrails around the solution. When we predict the probability of an appointment showing up, it is insightful, but how will you use that insight? How will you apply that algorithm? How will you use that to change the scheduling rules? For example, when an appointment is 53% likely to show, how do you want to deal with that, and what's the scheduling rule that you want to use against that? So just like we have financial auditors today, we will have AI auditors tomorrow. As more and more of our business and decision support systems are running with AI and ML, the underlying algorithms will need to be reviewed and approved. We need to ensure that the appropriate inputs are used, as well as that there are not underlying biases within the data. The data could be unnaturally weighted to one side, driving a specific outcome. This is what we call bias. We also need to be looking at the data set that we're using, ensuring that it is representative of what we're trying to model in the real world. So you can use a partial or subset of data, but that subset of data, once again, needs to be representing that real world. So to recap, as our solutions with AI and ML get more complex, so too must our oversights and our ethics around these models. These models will get more and more powerful and influential, and so too must our governance. Next, we're going to talk about how to embed AI and move it from insight to a next best action. Thanks for listening, and please subscribe to the channel. Let us know your point of view and any questions you have in the comments section below. Also, get on our mailing list at hcanalytics.net. Take care.